Hey everybody! I'm here today to tell you to don't forget to do these things when shaving your head. That's right. Don't forget to do these specific things when shaving your head. These are 5 things that if you do them, your head shave will turn out fantastically. If you don't do them, it's going to look subpar. Let's get into this. Just for full disclosure, I know you can't see because of the shadowing, but I'm bald and I've been shaving my head since I was roughly 20, and I'm 35 now at the time of me filming this. By the time you see this, I'll probably be 36 or maybe even close to 37. Wow, that's crazy. But yeah, I'm 35 at the time of filming this. Wow, so when you see this, I'm going to be almost 37. Holy, that's crazy. Now that I think about it, I'm going to be that much older. But anyways, I'm 35. I'm almost 36, roughly. Anyways, in a few months. But I'm 35, so I've been shaving my head for about 15 years, roughly, give or take. And I haven't shaved in about 2 days, so you got a little bit of stubble here. But generally speaking, if you see me in my other videos, a lot of the times I will have a fully shaved head. Okay, I generally shave every 2 days, except last night I ran out of time, which is why I'm filming this in the car this morning instead of last night in the bathroom where I should have been filming it. But anyways, I do apologize. I just ran out of time. So yeah, with story time being put aside, here are the 5 things that you should never forget to do when shaving your head. They will truly make your head shave. They will take it to the next level. Number 1 is to rinse your razor or shaver often. Now, for myself, what I tend to do as a rule of thumb, okay, is I divide my head into essentially 4 parts. Okay, I got one part over here, another part over here, another part up here, and then another part over here. 4 parts. On the sides, okay, I rinse my razor probably about twice when I do this entire area here. And twice when I do this entire area here. Up here, I barely got any hair up there. Literally, I'm talking about peach fuzz. Okay, I got nothing. Couple little strands. I maybe got 10 strands of hair. Look at that. Okay, what are you gonna do? That's life. But anyways, so like I don't even rinse it up here. I don't even need to rinse it. I can honestly probably rub the hair off like this. That's how little hair I have up there. And then at the back, because I do have a lot more hair and it's a bigger surface area, I probably rinse it like 3 or maybe even 4 times. Okay, so rinse your razor often. It'll just, number 1, it prevents cutting when you're shaving, prevents cutting your skin. And number 2, it just keeps it nice and gliding smoothly. Okay, so that's and number 3, it's just good practice to rinse your razor whenever you're shaving your head, your face, whatever you're shaving. Okay, so number 1, the first thing you should never forget to do is rinse your razor often. Some people will rinse it after every swipe. I don't really recommend that. You can, but it's not really necessary unless you're shaving like a big mop of hair. And if that's the case, you should have buzzed it down first anyways. So yeah, that's number 1, rinse your razor often. Number 2 is don't forget to do the back sides of your neck. Okay, like I have 4 young kids, so my time is very limited. I have 4 kids, they're very young. The oldest one being 5 and a half, and the youngest being 18 months roughly. And they're twins at 18 months. So I have a 5.5-year-old, I have a just turned 4-year-old, and then I have 18-month-old twins. So my time is very limited. So, like nowadays, I tend to miss the hairs on the back of my neck more often than not. Back in the day, when I had lots more time, I would always make sure I got the hairs on the back of my head. But right now I'm like, okay, let's go shave your head so you can move on to the next task. I shave late at night. When I shower late at night, and that's when I shave. So I just kind of get it done because I'm already probably roughly tired. So anyways, yeah, I'm roughly tired. I am tired, not roughly tired. I'm tired when I shave. By the time I shave my head, and I want to get through it so I can just relax. So anyways, you should not forget to shave the back sides of your neck, which are right over here. Okay. So for me, basically, my wife is like my fail-safe in the sense that if I forget to shave the hairs on the back of my neck, which happens, once every few shaves, maybe even twice every few shaves, maybe even every time, she says, listen, you forgot to shave the back sides of your neck. You got an atrocious amount of hair back there, so I'll just go back down and I'll shave them quickly. So but don't forget to do it. What I like to do is when I get to the back sides of my neck, I'll just go sideways. It depends on the grain of the hair, but my back sides of my neck hair grow like this, inwards towards the neck, so I'll shave against the grain. Okay, that's tip number 2. Second thing that you should not forget. Wow, 4.5 minutes in, and only two things that you shouldn't forget. So we're gonna speed the rest up. Stay tuned and take notes. Try it out at home. Number 3, don't forget, super important, and I never forget this nowadays, the skin fold on the back of your neck. Now let me tell you what I'm talking about. It might be hard to see. Right here, there's a little fold of skin on the back of my neck. It might be hard to see, but when I go like this, the skin folds over here, okay? You don't want to forget to do that because hair will accumulate in there and it's super noticeable. So what I do is I got this this razor that's this way, and then it's got this extra blade over here. So I'll shave my head normally, and then I'll take this little blade right here, this individual blade, and I'll very gently and carefully go over that little back fold in my neck. And what I'll do is I will stretch it. So I'll take my head and I'll go like this. So I'll stretch it out by pulling the back skin of the back of my head up. I'll stretch it out. And when I stretch it out, it makes it easier to get inside of that little crack right there. Okay, so do that. It's super noticeable when you miss it. Just don't miss that, okay? Number 4 is adjust your shaving angle or direction to go against the grain. So don't forget to adjust your shaving angle. I'm constantly shaving in different directions. I'll give you an example. When I'm doing the side of my head, I go like this, right? Because the hair grows down, so I'm shaving up. And then when I do up here, this little area right here, I go back over here because the hair is growing forward. So the hair is growing down over here, so I shave upwards. The hair is growing forward over here, so I shave back, right? And I'm constantly doing that, constantly adjusting the shaving angle to go against the grain. Very, very important. This so you know you're getting the closest shave possible. When I shave my head, even if it's an old razor, I get like a super close shave because I'm shaving against the grain constantly. You can even shave with the grain first and then against the grain after. If you find that you're getting a lot of cuts or a lot of irritation, you can shave with the grain first and then against the grain a second time. It'll really help you out and you'll get a super close shave, okay? Last but not least, the 5th thing that you should not forget to do when you are shaving your head is use the feeling from your hand to make sure you got all of the hair smooth, to make sure you got all of your head area super smooth. Now, I don't shave with a mirror. I haven't shaved with a mirror in, I don't know, I maybe shaved with a mirror the first 10 times I shaved. And then you learn that you can feel the rough patches. So if I shave my head, when I'm done, I'll go with my hand and I'll go against the grain. And I'll notice, oh, right here, here's a common spot actually that I need to redo. I'll go like this, and oh, right here, it feels a little bit rough right over here. So I'll take my razor and I'll put a little bit more soap. I just use regular, you know, bathing soap, whatever you want to call it. And I'll go against the grain there and clean it up until my whole head is super smooth. So feel against the grain, and when you feel that it's smooth, you know you're good. That's it. Those are things that you should basically not forget to do. So don't forget to do those things when shaving your head. They will allow you to have the best shave possible if you can not forget them. And that's it. If you like this video tutorial, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment, and of course be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.